Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can delete bulk data of your SharePoint list using Power Automate. So if you want to delete a bulk data that match specific conditions using Power Automate, then this video is for you. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm having this cascading drop down list and I want to delete a data which actually met the condition if the region is equal to Asia. So right now you can see in my list with the Asia, I'm having three entries. So if I put this filter, the data will be deleted only with the region is equal to Asia. So you can put the conditions according to your requirements. You can delete the data with the title also, like I'm having the country, and you can delete the data using the created date and the specific less than or greater than equal to created date or whichever way you want it. So in my conditions, I'm going to delete data if the region equal to Asia. So let's just talk about how we can do using that Power Automates. I'll go in my Power Automate, click on a create. I'll create an instant flow and I will trigger this one is manually and the name will be delete items. Click on create and the next step I'm going to perform is I will get items, SharePoint get items. So what I'm doing with the get item, I'll just talk about. First, I have to select the site address, which is my this test site, and the list name I'm having is cascading dropdown. And now, in the filter query, as I have mentioned that if the region is equal to Asia, I'm gonna delete all those entries. So what I will do, I will just type region equal our Asia. That means this text. So this is what we need, and click on save. Now this get items will get only those items where the filter query is region equal to Asia. So now we have all the item with region equal Asia, and the next step what I'm going to do is delete all those item. SharePoint, delete item, and select the site name again. Select the list is cascading drop down, and the ID is equal to our get item ID, and it will automatically convert this into apply to each. That means each item that has been fetched from this get item will be deleted. Click on save. There is no error right now, and I'll run my flow now. Before running my flow, I'll see that there is 3 entry in cascading dropdown, and once I will run this, it is fetching my details. Click on run now. The flow is run and it's still running, and your flow is ran successfully. And if I'll check in my cascading drop down, you'll see that the region with Asia item has been deleted. So this way you can delete you know item in a bulk in your SharePoint list, and the deleted item will be goes to your recycle bin. If you just go to your recycle bin, you'll see that all the Asia item has been went up there. And in case you do some mistakes on deleting item, you can just restore all your item, and your item will be in your original list again. So this is the way you can delete bulk item in SharePoint list. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching Learn and Tech. Don't forget to subscribe.